Getac Automotive Solutions drive innovations into the after-sales process and the digital customer journey. This video focuses on how our digital platforms can make a difference through booking, workshop management, and the electronic vehicle health check process. Our software uses artificial intelligence that gives our platform the ability to automate workshop processes and at the same time self-learn. With open API architecture for integration to third-party systems, all workflows, transactions, and reports are updated in real time, along with high levels of security, including encryption and permissions access. And finally, a modular design to fit your needs. Our online booking solution stands out from the rest as it's real-time and dynamic. The system can be used by customers, call centers, service reception teams, and connected fleets. Our planning system works with artificial intelligence and self-learning technique. Here you have a busy workshop where all the technicians have a full day's work ahead. Our planning tool factors in technician skills, service bays, special tools, parts, courtesy cars, priority customers, and promise times. When customers do not show up or technicians are unavailable, the system can quickly replan all outstanding jobs with qualified technicians with the right skills. This way, workshop utilization is kept to an optimum. With our EVHC, you can digitalize the process and use tablets with interactive check sheets, capturing vehicle health information of wear and tear-related items. Once the check is completed, the customer will receive a message to access the online health check via WhatsApp, email, or SMS. The online reports provide images and videos. Any identified items that need closer attention will be color-coded. Estimations are provided, which allows the customer to clearly understand and authorize additional work on their device. Getac Automotive Solutions provide dealerships with streamlined and intelligent after-sales processes for better customer retention, increased revenue opportunities, and an all-around enhanced digital experience.